In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Hostinger API step by step. If you want to connect Hostinger with tools like Claude, Cursor, JetBrains, Windsurf, or any other automation platform, you'll need your API key. This key allows external apps and developer tools to securely communicate with your Hostinger account, so you can automate tasks, manage services, or build integrations much faster. The good news is that finding your Hostinger API key is very simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, log into your Hostinger account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, which is the main control panel where you manage your hosting, domains, and account settings. Now look toward the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From this drop-down, select the option called Account Information. Clicking this will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage important details related to your Hostinger account. Once the account information page loads, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Hostinger organizes different account settings in this sidebar, so they're easy to find. In this left-hand menu, scroll until you see the option labeled API. When you find it, click on API to open the API Management section. This page is where Hostinger provides the API credentials that developers and automation tools can use to interact with your account. After opening the API section, you'll be able to see your Hostinger API key. This is the unique code that allows external tools to securely access certain features of your Hostinger account through the API. Depending on your setup, you may see an existing API key listed, or you might need to generate one if it hasn't been created yet. Once you have your API key, you can copy it and use it inside developer tools or integrations that support Hostinger. For example, many developers use this API key when connecting Hostinger with coding environments like JetBrains IDEs, AI tools such as Claude, or development platforms like Cursor and Windsurf. These integrations allow you to automate hosting tasks, manage services programmatically, and streamline your development workflow. Just make sure to keep your API key private and never share it publicly, because anyone with access to the key could potentially interact with your account through the API. A good practice is to store it securely inside your development environment or password manager. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where the API section is inside the Hostinger dashboard, accessing your API key only takes a few seconds. Now you can use it to connect Hostinger with developer tools, automation platforms, or custom applications. If this video helped you understand how to access the Hostinger API, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy hosting, developer, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.